Welcome to this demonstration of MagicEndpoint's FIDO2 Passkey capability. First, the user navigates to the Microsoft Account Security page to add a FIDO2 Passkey. They select Add a new sign-in method and choose Security Key. MagicEndpoint then prompts the user to select the type of FIDO2 Passkey. In this case, the user chooses Phone FIDO2 Passkey, since their phone has the MagicEndpoint Authenticator App installed. This allows the phone to function as a secure FIDO2 Passkey. Once registration is complete, on the MagicEndpoint Mobile App Accounts tab, the newly created FIDO2 account is now visible, confirming successful setup and readiness for authentication. Next, we demonstrate logging into Windows using the MagicEndpoint Phone Passkey. The user logs out of Windows and returns to the login screen. They click on Passkey, and an authentication prompt is instantly sent to their phone via Bluetooth Low Energy. After approving the request on the phone, the user is successfully logged into the Windows desktop. We now examine the MagicEndpoint transaction log. As shown, a successful authentication transaction is recorded, confirming the secure login process. Finally, the user logs into the Office 365 web portal using the MagicEndpoint Phone Passkey. At the sign-in screen, they select Security Key. An authentication request is sent to the phone via Bluetooth Low Energy. Once the user authorizes the request in the MagicEndpoint app, access is granted and the Office 365 homepage is displayed. This concludes our demonstration of MagicEndpoint's FIDO2 Passkey functionality, delivering a secure, efficient, and passwordless authentication experience across platforms.